Title of the topic is Ethernet hubs. First of all, we look at the objectives of this topic. After completing this topic, a student will be able to explain the operation of an Ethernet hub. Figures and material in this topic have been adapted from Wendell Odum's book, Computer Networking First Step. Ethernet क्या चीज़ है? Ethernet is the most popular standard of the LAN, local area network today. Ethernet NANs are highly used at workplaces and schools and universities and campuses. In this diagram, क्या दिखाया गया है कि PC1 और PC2 LAN के साथ connected हैं. PC1 says that I shall transmit on pins 1 and 2 just like I did before. PC2 क्या कह रहा है? I will transmit the pins on line number 1 and line number 2. This is the crossover arrangement. PC1 की जो pins हैं 1 and 2, they are connected to PC2's pin number 3 and 6. और PC2 की जो transmit pair है, they are connected to PC1's receive pair. So this is how both PC1 and PC2 can communicate with each other simultaneously. अगर ये दो computers थे जो connect हो रहे थे इस diagram में. Now, if I want to continue further to connect to other PCs, you would need more LAN NICs. If I follow this strategy, this mechanism, I would require more number of LAN NICs, and your PC probably does not have enough room for all the cards. These NIC cards, they are connected on the motherboard with PCI slots. So you have a limited number of PCI slots available on the motherboard. अब अगर आपने दूसरे कंप्यूटर्स के साथ अटैच करना है तो इस स्ट्रेटजी के तहत आपको उतने ही PCI स्लॉट्स चाहिए मदरबोर्ड पे और उतने ही आपको NIC कार्ड्स इंसर्ट करने हैं. So also you would need to run cables between your PC and all other PCs. For example, अगर if we try to do this for 100 PCs on the same floor of the building and every PC wanted to connect to every other, we would require 99 cables running on the floor, and I would require 99 NIC cards inside each PC. So this strategy won't work. Cost के हवाले से भी अगर आप देखें, this is very expensive, और अगर आप देखें तो ये spacious भी इतना नहीं है. So what is the alternative? The alternative to running a cable to every other PC is to run a cable from each PC to a wiring closet and connect the cables to a networking device called an Ethernet hub. अब हम क्या करेंगे, एक PC से एक तार निकलेगी, उस तार को हम एक नियर बाय क्लोजेट में रखेंगे, एक रूम होगा उस क्लोजेट में, उसका जिसका नाम होगा क्लोजेट, और उस क्लोजेट में एक नेटवर्किंग डिवाइस रखी जा सकती है जिसका नाम है Ethernet hub. तो एक वायर एक PC से और it will be directly connected to the hub. An Ethernet hub allows the electrician to cable each device to the hub using only a single NIC and a single cable. So we require only one NIC and one cable in this case. This will eliminate the cabling problem that we talked about earlier. इस डायग्राम में अगर आप देखें तो एक हब दिखाया गया है और 3 different computers दिखाए गए हैं. एक कंप्यूटर का ओनर है Larry, Archie and Bob. So Larry, Archie and Bob, they want to communicate with each other on the same floor, let's say. So you have an Ethernet hub. This Ethernet hub is placed in a separate room, और उस separate room का नाम है closet, right? When Larry transfers some packets or some bits to the hub says that I'm receiving electricity from Larry, so I will repeat it out the other ports to Archie and Bob. The hub simply listens for incoming electrical signals, and when received, the hub repeats the same electrical signal to every other device that is connected to the hub. The hub expects straight through Ethernet cabling between itself and the PCs. Earlier we have seen that जब दो PCs ने directly communicate करनी है तो straight through cabling के साथ नहीं कर सकते. You need the crossover arrangement when two PCs want to communicate with each other simultaneously. Now in this case जो hub है वो क्या expect कर रहा है? वो expect कर रहा है straight through Ethernet cabling between itself and the PC. This is the opposite of what we have studied earlier for two PCs. A straight-through cable network works between a PC, NIC, and a hub. So hub uses the straight-through cabling to the PCs, as we can see here. In this diagram, you see Larry and the hub. जो हब के दरमियान जो पोर्ट है और जो NIC के दरमियान जो वायरिंग है, जो केबलिंग है, अगर आप देखें इस डायग्राम में तो PC1 की जो ट्रांसमिशन पेयर है, इट इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू हब की पेयर 1 and 2 एंड द हब इज रिसीविंग द डेटा ऑन दिस पेयर. और जब हब ने ट्रांसमिट करना है तो हब कौन सी पिन यूज कर रहा है? हब यूज कर रहा है पिन नंबर 3 एंड पिन नंबर 6 एंड PC1 will receive the data on pins 3 and 6. So there's a straight through cabling between Larry and the hub. So what is the logic behind the working of the hub? Hub receives the traffic on pins 1 and 2 on each physical interface. When received, when the hub has received the traffic, it will repeat the same electrical signal out on all other ports except on the one over which it has received the data. When repeating out, other ports repeat the traffic out on pins 3 and 6 so that the PCs will be listening. In this topic, we have learned what is the usage of a hub and how does it work.